see. My governor promotes me. I need you. Go back. We want to see. We want to see. Our president is supposed to address us. Oh my God. We want to see. We want to see. We don't want to see. If not be vulnerable, nobody. Hello beautiful family, how are you all doing? Thank you for the maximum love and the support. So my beautiful people, today I'll be quick to share with you one that's the normally say shall never end. This is Progress the Analyst, and here I keep you updated. I touchlight all the latest happening. This is one of the reasons why you need to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Progress the Analyst, so that I will keep you updated though. So my people, without not wasting much of time, let us dive into the reason why we are here. See, I have two special updates for you. The first one, do you know that they've arrested VeryDarkMan? VeryDarkMan of all people, the mascara. According to the report, they say when the mascara from the car, the people cover his eyes. I say, shoot. I don't really want to talk too much. We are also going to hear from his brother. Meanwhile, let us also listen to what also happened in Rivers State. The women of Rivers State, they do the doable today. You are going to watch all these videos I'm telling you about, so that it will not look like Progress the Analyst and you they talk this thing, Progress the Analyst now you. No, you have to hear from the horse's mouth. That is the reason why you are here. Now make a day player for you in the show. That is what I do here. I not just they call they do blah blah blah. Wait till I not see or wait till I not hear say I know. And they come, I will touch like everything to you. So we are going to get the report from VeryDarkMan, how he was adopted through his own brother. Yes, so your own blood brother that said it to. Then I will carry you along what's happening in Rivers State. Anyways, as I said before, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, because you will so much enjoy it. Thank you, and I'll be right back.
I followed my mom to the bank and he posted that yes, so he's in GT Bank and they are trying to sort out things, and the bank actually complying with him. Next moment, I got a call from my mom. She was crying that policemen came and arrested my brother. On what basis? Is it a crime that you come and speak out for Nigeria when people are blind? Or is it a crime that you come out and make people see where they can't see? I don't understand. Like, what is going on? What is this guy's crime, for Christ's sake? Why do you guys keep coming for this guy? See, I don't have a problem with the police people, because you guys are just people wearing on uniform. You are just putting on uniform. But then, Abba, waiting they do this country, waiting I feel like I go they use power anyhow. Waiting in doing I can't arrest them. What is going on in Nigeria, for Christ's sake?
GTV Bank, please come and tell us the whereabouts of VeryDarkMan. The last place we know we saw him was inside your bank. VeryDarkMan has been missing for the past few hours. It is alleged that some police officers came to arrest VeryDarkMan inside the GTV premises. Please come and tell Nigerians where VeryDarkMan is. Is this a move to cover up your tracks? Because the last time we saw VeryDarkMan was inside your bank. You don't have any right to come and pick up anybody like that. GTB, are you trying to cover your crimes? You think you can come and take people's money without... Please, tell us where VeryDarkMan is now, because we don't know. All efforts to look for him have been unsuccessful. We want to know where is VDM. Scope could be. Allah.
We know! We know! We know! We came for program today, Reading Hub Initiative. Yes. We came to support Tinubu's wife and Mrs. Valerie. Yes. We were seated. Imagine me say I carry my 7 months pregnancy, carry myself from here. Just for me to not hear Mrs. Ipa being called up to come and speak to us as a first lady. Yes. Go back to Calabar. Yes. Go, you get states. Yes. Because one does not one first lady at a time.
We dey here for Tinubu wife. As a wife. So we no dey here. Why dividing us the more? Dividing us the more. This program is supposed to be one kind of state, like you people declared that they're talking. You brought a reconciliator. Since today, you have not done anything. You have not done anything. People should not be saying nobody has
Women immediately the Soul Admiral's wife came on stage. Agitating that they want the governor back. They are leaving the premises right now. Lady Valerie, and she's not our first lady. Mrs. Ibas, you are not our first lady. And our first lady, not Ibas' wife. Please, this is my bag. This is I want to carry my bag. Only because I cause a sin. I want to carry my bag. Can only because a sin.
As you all are aware, my husband and I, since arriving here to carry out the president's directive to restore peace and protect
Which peace? Which peace where they protest and where they restore?
We
Where's my bag?
assiduously.
only one first lady, and that is Lady Valerie. We want it. My governor promoted me. I need to go back. We want it. We want it. Our president is supposed to address us. Oh my God. We want it. We want it. We don't
Valerie, nobody again.
Impostor. Who is that impostor? If Bass's wife is addressing Rivers woman, who is she? Back your alone, madam. We don't want you.
Let me talk. We want you. See, today.
We want you today.
Yesterday.
This time, may you come back.
We need Mrs. Oluremi Tinubu to come and address the women. She is the one we have waited for. We don't need the wife of a stranger. It's him. We want him right now. Sin should come today, not tomorrow. The Rivers women, we are yearning, we are crying to receive back our government. We want him. Yeah. We want him. No, she don't be first lady. She should go to Calabar for that first lady. We want him.
But that's what tell us. That's
we don't give a fuck.
We want him. We want him.
We want him.
We want him.
Nasim we want. Nasim.
Nasim, but not be that one supposed to be. Nasim supposed to stand there. Nasim supposed to stand there. But not be that woman. Let she go back and state. Let she go back and state.
We want him.
Nasim we want. Fubara. You'll be alright.
We peace, but we want our governor. We don't want our boss and his wife. Let them packet our governor. What the fuck? Anyway, listen.